In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emojis to the conversation inbox in Hubspot. Let's get started by opening your browser and searching for Hubspot. Click through to the official Hubspot site and head to the login page. Sign in with your account, and if your organization uses security verification, complete that as well. Once you're in, make sure you're in the right workspace or portal so you're seeing the conversations you expect. From the main Hubspot home screen, look for the CRM area. Go ahead and click CRM to bring up the core tools and navigation. Interfaces can vary slightly depending on your permissions and the version you're on, but you should see options related to your conversations. Next, navigate to Inbox. This is where your team manages customer communications across channels. If you don't immediately see it, look for the conversation section in the top navigation and choose Inbox there. Opening the inbox will show a list of ongoing threads. Within the inbox, select Chat. This filters your view to live chat conversations, which is where emojis are most commonly used to add tone and warmth. Choose an existing chat thread you want to reply to, or prepare a new response in the composer at the bottom of the screen. Make sure you're replying from the correct channel if you manage multiple chat inboxes. In the message composer, look toward the bottom for the emoji icon. Click that emoji icon to open the emoji picker. You'll see categories you can browse and a search field that helps you quickly find what you need. This is handy if you're looking for a specific expression, like a thumbs up or a smile. Now choose your emoji. As soon as you click an emoji, it will appear in your message field right where your cursor is placed. You can add multiple emojis, mix them with text, and adjust your phrasing so the message reads naturally. A quick tip here, use emojis to reinforce tone, not replace content. Keep them professional and consistent with your brand voice, especially in support or sales conversations. When your message looks good, click Send. The chat will deliver your text and emoji together to the contact in real time. If you ever don't see the emoji icon, refresh the page or check that you're in a live chat thread rather than an email conversation. That's it. You've learned how to find your HubSpot inbox, switch to chat, use the emoji picker, and send a message that feels more human. Try it on a low-stakes conversation first to see how it renders for your audience, then roll it out as part of your team's standard replies.